Now, Congress leader Sachin Sawant alleges that the ED case against former Minister Anil Deshmukh is only a case of dirty politics that is being played by Prime Minister Modi's government, which is the central government in the centre. In fact, now the Congress coming out and accusing political vendetta against certain leaders in the state of Maharashtra and for misusing the central agencies. We have with us Arunil joining us live. Arunil, this isn't new. We see almost all opposition parties coming up with this accusation of political vendetta, misuse of probing agencies, central agencies by the central government, and this is exactly what is happening this time around as well.
Well, Aditi, this was on the expected lines. In fact, when the CBI also had registered an FIR against the former Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh, that time as well, the Congress party as well as all the parties from the Mahavikas Aghadi had accused the BJP government at the center for misusing the powers of the central agencies, for misusing the central agencies, beg your pardon. And here as well, after ED registered a case against Anil Deshmukh in the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, comes a reply from Sachin Sawant, the Congress leader, saying that this is nothing but dirty politics by PM Modi's government at the center. At a time, he also mentions that at a time when the priority should be tackling the COVID-19 infection, the center is only trying to misuse agencies like CBI, Enforcement Directorate, as well as the NCP. So yes, after on one hand, trouble mounts for Anil Deshmukh, but the alliance partners of the NCP, be it Congress and the Shiv Sena, have rallied in support against the BJP, saying that central agencies are being clearly misused by the BJP government at the center.
Unexpected lines, the Congress party has now come out and accused the central government for using the agencies, probing agencies, against certain leaders in the state of Maharashtra. This is the case of Anil Deshmukh. Thank you so much, Arunil, for joining us for that.